Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the live Forex Trading EA for MT5. It's an automated trading system available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Now, starting with the Marketplace page, we can see that this is an expert advisor developed by Ariama Shah, specifically for MetaTrader 5. The current version is 4.8, updated on June 3rd, 2026, and it is available for purchase at 549 US dollars. There is also a 1 month rental option listed at 139 US dollars. Now, looking through the product overview, the developer describes this EA as a fully automated trading system designed to analyze market conditions and execute trades according to its built-in trading logic and risk management rules. The description also states that the EA is intended to operate across different market environments while allowing traders to adjust various risk and trade management settings. Now, as we continue down the page, one of the key features highlighted is automated trade execution. For traders looking to automate their trading process, this means the EA can handle trade management without requiring constant manual intervention. All right. And then another feature mentioned here is multi-symbol trading support. The ability to work across multiple symbols can provide additional flexibility depending on how the user chooses to configure the system. The marketplace page also highlights configurable risk per trade, which allows users to adjust risk exposure based on their account size and personal preferences. Alongside that, the EA includes take profit and stop loss management, giving traders predefined trade exit controls. Now, we can also see an optional break-even function, and this feature provides an additional trade management tool that users can enable if it suits their trading preferences. In addition, the EA includes equity protection features and advanced trade management options designed to help users control overall account exposure. Okay, so moving into the configuration section, the developer notes that all major trading and risk parameters can be adjusted through the input settings. All right, this flexibility allows traders to customize the EA according to their account conditions and preferred level of risk. Now, let us transition into the backtesting section. One thing worth mentioning is that the product description does not specify any recommended symbols, time frames, or testing methods, right? And because of that, any historical testing should be viewed within the specific conditions used during the test itself. So let us start by reviewing the provided information here. Okay, we can see that this just shows the EA in action. Okay, we're just seeing images of the EA in action. Let's see if we have any backtested results provided here. Okay, none. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the EA performed. All right, we are testing the live Forex Trading EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and we are also testing it over the past 5 months plus. So we are testing from the beginning of this year till date. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and we are using the every tick modeling, for some level of accuracy. Looking at the backtest results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 24.92, and the profit factor is 0.52. That's very low. The total trades taken were 86, out of which 22 trades were profitable, giving us a 25.58% win rate. So this is very low as well. All right. The largest profit was $1.57, largest loss $1.30, average profit $1.22, average loss just 81 cents. So the risk to reward ratio is pretty okay, perhaps around 1:1.5 thereabout. And then that shows that the risk to reward ratio is okay, although not excellent per se. But I can also see that The drawdown is pretty low, right? As you can see, the balance drawdown maximal is just 0.03%. Equity drawdown as well, maximal 0.03%. Okay, now let us turn on the visual so that we can see the EA in action. Okay, so as we review the historical backtest results and chart activity, we are looking at how the EA performed under past market conditions, right? The historical analysis allows us to observe trade management behavior and overall system performance during the tested period without making assumptions about how the underlying trading logic generates entries. Now, when examining the chart history, we can focus on how positions were managed through the EA's predefined trade management rules, including the use of take profit and stop loss levels that are specifically mentioned by the developer. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. All right, testing across multiple periods can often provide a broader perspective on consistency and risk. Okay, so looking at the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that results can vary depending on risk settings, lot sizing, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization. All right, and historical backtest results should always be considered historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. And as you can see, one of my observations, from this ongoing back test is the fact that the risk to reward ratio is actually bad. We can see how the stop loss is wide, but see how the take profit is close to the entry point. All right. So just like what we saw in the back tested results, this is also a confirmation that the risk to reward ratio is actually literally bad, right? So this is not exactly a very good thing about the EA. But overall, the live Forex Trading EA for MT5 presents itself as a flexible, automated trading system with configurable risk controls, multi-symbol support, equity protection tools, and customizable trade management settings. As always, I recommend thoroughly testing and optimizing any expert advisor before considering live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.